Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of DreamTrack AI, the cutting-edge tool that's changing the game for musicians, producers, and music enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, DreamTrack AI is designed to bring your musical visions to life with unprecedented ease and creativity. So let's get started and unlock the full potential of this amazing tool. DreamTrack AI is an innovative platform that utilizes artificial intelligence to assist in composing music. It's like having a virtual collaborator that never runs out of ideas, from generating melodies to suggesting chord progressions and even producing complete tracks. DreamTrack AI is your go-to for endless musical inspiration. First things first, let's set up your DreamTrack AI account. Head over to their website and sign up. Once you're in, you'll find a dashboard that's your central hub for creation. Here, you can manage projects, access your library, and start new compositions. Creating your first track with DreamTrack AI is as simple as selecting the Create New Track option. You'll be prompted to choose a genre, mood, and even the key you prefer. DreamTrack AI then processes your inputs and generates a bass track for you to work with. It's like magic, but it's technology. Once you have your bass track, it's time to make it truly yours. DreamTrack AI offers a wide range of customization options. Adjust tempos, switch out instruments, or add in your own recordings. The platform's intuitive interface makes it easy to tweak your track until it perfectly matches your vision. DreamTrack AI doesn't just stop at creation. It also offers collaboration features. Share your projects with friends or fellow artists directly through the platform. Get feedback, make adjustments, and create something truly unique together. After you've polished your track, exporting is a breeze. DreamTrack AI allows you to download your compositions in various formats, ready for streaming platforms, social media, or your personal archive. And there you have it, folks. With DreamTrack AI, the future of music creation is at your fingertips. Whether you're experimenting with new sounds or working on your next big hit, DreamTrack AI is here to fuel your creativity and make the music creation process seamless and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the possibilities with DreamTrack AI.